Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact clip pieces you need and confirming permission. This saves rework later. Once done, note precise start and end times in seconds or HH, mm, ss, and choose matching resolution and aspect ratio, 16:9 for standard video. Make sure to check copyright. Creative Commons versus Fair Use requires different steps, so obtain written permission if required. Prepare a folder with originals and a simple metadata file naming timestamps, source. You import the source file or use a download saved under the allowed license and place clips on a dedicated track. Then trim to the exact timestamps, apply stabilization and color matching so the clip blends with your footage, and normalize audio so dialogue levels are consistent. Once that's done, add captions and any required attributions in the lower third. Make sure to keep clip duration and usage consistent with the license terms or permission you documented earlier. You export using a codec and bitrate that match your delivery platform. If you did heavy grading, export an intermediate then final encode. After export, add clear on-screen attribution and put full license or permission details in the video description to reduce disputes. If a claim or block happens, respond quickly. Gather your permission emails or license, file a counter notice or appeal with evidence, and, if unresolved, replace or re-edit the clip to comply. This is the fastest way to restore availability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.